Hi, Ilia here. Just doing a repair on a bed frame. This broke one of the corner pieces. This one here. Put some fiberglass in the corner of the bed frame. There's fiberglass in there, and I'll put some super glue. So it's like a fast setting resin and cheap, small bit. And then we'll see if I can maybe put a little more on the outside, or maybe it'll be strong enough with just a bit of fiberglass inside the corner of the bed frame. Right, so it's a square big bed frame, and one of the corner pieces we just snapped off. So I just glued it on with a little bit of gel and stuffed fiberglass right through there. Luckily there was a hole in there. So now I'm going to soak it with the liquid super glue. So that it'll solidify like this one, except with internal support. So just put onto the fiberglass, hopefully it'll soak in. If I've opened it properly. Haven't quite opened it properly. There we go, soaking the fiberglass in this liquid super glue. Trying to not spill it on the floor. I'll cover it with my hand. I'll put a cover sheet. Oops. There we go. And on the other end, because the hole originally went through the whole thing, through the corner piece. So I've stuffed the fiberglass all the way through it, just internally, so that it looks good on the outside. You don't want the nasty smear on the outside. It's just an opportunity to just see if I can fix it from the inside. So I guess when it sets, I'll probably wait a day, just in case, for it to set, and then just basically try and slightly break it, but not too much. Obviously, don't want to actually break it. It doesn't have to be all that strong. Just I'll test it a bit and see if it's actually stuck on. I suppose, just in case, I'll put a little fiberglass on the outside as well, off the joint. Gotta be careful to not put too much on, otherwise it won't fit back into the frame piece. It's only got about 1mm tolerance. Oops, it's dripping. back on. Oh, the cling film of this A4 paper is helping to put it nice and flat for that tolerance of 1mm. That's nice and convenient. Maybe I'll stick it on. I've run out of super glue, so I have to do just a bit on the side. Okay, there we go. Well, I might as well just get to making it neat. Trim off the excess. Trying to not get the scissors mucky on the super glue. I was thinking of waiting until it sets, but I'll just make it neat straight away. Mm. Oh, God, it's starting. Okay. Oh, there we go. So let the super glue soak in it. So just check that it fits into the bed frame. Yeah, it fits still. Okay. It was easy because luckily I had this bit of plastic sheet so that I could just press it nice and compact. So it's got that nice tolerance within the tolerance, about a millimeter. They can still fit into their little reinforcement. That's lovely. And I've also sanded this prior to doing this, so that the super glue would stick to it, and the fiberglass with it as well. So there we go. Nicely plugged up on the inside. This is where the break was along here, and the fiberglass on the inside goes all the way through here. So hopefully that'll be strong because the break is just along here. Right, so you just want to reinforce it about across there. That's where the fiberglass goes all the way down, and I've really jammed it in there with this pen. Thank you for the pen. Sorry about to use it up. And like really jammed it in, and I could even jam it in a little more like that, just to really try and get that super glue to soak into the fiberglass. There we go. Definitely soaking up as much of the fiberglass as possible. It's possible that the super glue or the resin, I'm calling it, won't get all the way through to the center of the fiberglass, maybe, but I think that'll do. I mean, this thing was a little skinny, it just snapped off so easily when I was just trying to disassemble it. So I'm sure this is going to be much stronger than the original. This is the original, the other one. So hopefully I haven't made too much of a mess. Haven't had the super glue myself too much. Okay. Oh, damn, it's sticking to me. Put the scissors on like a millimeter. And now, well, that should be great. Oh, what's it? A tiny bit on the outside more. I think basically, it's heating up. It seems to be reacting with the fiberglass and setting, and it's a bit warm. And I don't know if there's a drop of super glue left. Do we even need it? I've already put gel super glue on the joint first. Is it really going to do anything if I put some more on the outside? Well, I guess. Is there any left in there? Oh, tiny bit. Right on the joint, right on the corner. Oh, that's the wrong one. That's the gel again. Oh, it's alright, it's good. I was supposed to use the liquid super glue, but that's the gel one again. So that's alright. A few drops left. Let's just reinforce the outside slightly, nice and neat. After doing these kind of super glue repairs with either baking soda or with fiberglass, I thought I'd try and do that a bit neater. After doing all the messy repairs before, I thought, well, there we go, nice and neat. A little bit sticking through there. Trim that. Just a tiny bit. Okay. Right, cheers.